I made a fishing mold with my 3D printer. I took an STL file and put it in my printer, and it made a fishing mold for me. I'm currently making one right now that's similar to Kitech swim baits. So now I'm gonna test out my molds. I got my baits, I got my cup. Let's heat it up. We're just gonna pop this bad boy in there for like a minute. Okay, they're starting to melt. Let's do about another 30 seconds. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna get this mold ready. It's gonna look like a Gambler Big Easy swim bait. Hopefully I have enough worms in there for it. Put it over like this, click it together, click it or take it, and it's ready to pour. Here we go. Looks like I topped it off. Just gonna let it cool. That's why you thoroughly wait. Now I have to remelt it and try again. Okay, the mold isn't hot, it's barely warm. So let's open it and see what we got. That is your standard Gambler Big Easy swim bait right there. I do know that one of the best things to do is to put it in cold water as soon as you're done with it. And it floats, look at that. But we'll just leave it in cold water and let it harden and do its thing. Okay, well, it's not the prettiest. And I also added in a little more. I ran out at the end, but you know, if you were to get some good plastic, some solid color, I mixed up some dirty plastics that were sitting at the bottom of the boat and just threw them in there just to test out the mold. The mold itself is awesome and it's got a good weight to it. You could probably chunk this thing pretty good distance. I mean, you throw that on a hook or on a buzz bait or a spinner bait, they're gonna eat it. It's got a good paddle tail on it. It's got a good body. And if need be, you can split it right here and put it as a trailer. So yeah, I'm satisfied with it and I will be making more. Put down in the comments what else you want me to 3D printer make.